In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a customer with a check in QuickBooks Online. This process is a great way to manage overpayments and ensure your accounting stays accurate. Let's walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to sign into QuickBooks Online. If you're already familiar with logging into the platform, this step should be straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate through QuickBooks to ensure you're working within the right account. Start by selecting the option for QuickBooks Online from your dashboard. Afterward, type in your credentials and then proceed by clicking Continue. This will bring you to your QuickBooks Online homepage. Now, you're ready to start the refund process. On your dashboard, look for a section named Customers and Leads. Once you locate it, click on it. From there, you'll want to go into the Customers section. Doing this will provide you with a list of all your customers. Find and click on the profile of the customer to whom you wish to issue the refund. This action will open their profile page. Now look for a drop-down menu labeled New Transaction. Click on this option and a list of transaction types should appear. From the drop-down options, select Credit Memo. Filling out a credit memo is essential for recording the overpayment amount, which tracks the refund in your accounts. At this point, type in the exact amount you need to refund the customer. Double check to make sure your numbers are correct, then go ahead and click Save. The next part involves creating a check for the overpayment. Return to your main navigation by clicking on New again, then choose Check from the menu that appears. In the check creation interface, designate your customer as the payee. It's crucial to ensure the refund is applied correctly, so enter the term Accounts Receivable A/R into the appropriate field. After doing this, click on it to confirm your entry. Next, input the refund amount once again to ensure accuracy. Also, remember to add your customer's name to maintain proper bookkeeping. With all these details in place, click on Save and Close to finalize the creation of the check. With the check in your system, you'll now mark this activity as completed by creating a received payment. Go back to the New button, click on it, and select Receive Payment. Begin by adding your customer's name to link the payment correctly. Before closing out, cross-check the check number and related details to make sure everything is as it should be. Finally, click on Save and Close to complete the process. And there you have it, you've successfully refunded your customer using a check in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll keep your bookkeeping tidy and clients happy with their refund process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.